What's up, lovely people? We are back in the lab, so we picking right back up where we left off. We got this CD transmission, 6 speed. So I just spent this weekend going ahead and putting this all back together. Whoop whoop, my cart moving around on me. So that's all there, and then we saved that case. Woo! Look at that case, boy. That's that vapor home vapor polishing. So yeah, boy, that thing fresh. It's a shame it's gonna be up underneath the car. You won't get to see it, but we're gonna go ahead probably tomorrow or sometime this week. Go ahead and sandwich these things on up, and then put a fresh coat of clear on it. So that's what's up, man. CD, gearbox, all carbon synchros, fresh bearings, a little bit of tumbler polishing action on a couple of the gears and things. And then we got that case again. So that's what's up. I'm out of here. Later.